Hi, Brianne. What are you doing? Look up at Mommy. Can you spell cat for Mommy?
Spell cat, Mommy.
Spell cat. Say C.
C.
A.
A.
T.
T.
Good job. Can you count?
1,
2,
2,
3. Say 3. You're not looking at Mom.
Huh?
What comes after 2? 3. What's your favorite song, Brianne?
Huh?
What's your favorite song?
Karaoke.
Karaoke? That's not your song. Song is Move It.
Funny, move it.
Funny Move It. You like it? Yeah? What's your favorite Sesame Street movie?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Alice.
Do you like Elmo? You do?
Karaoke.
Karaoke. Hold on a minute. What do you do? He's hurt somehow.
Oh, no.
When he's hurt?
What?
Go.
He's hurt.
Go.
Funny cry when he does that.
It's not funny, that's how I cry. He's got a personality. Now I had to cut my video short, so. Oh crap, why does it say it's recording?